Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is this month's Bolzano unboxing. I'm so excited about the Bolzano subscription. Again, it's a monthly subscription where you get purses and accessories and watches and makeup. You get it all every month for a low rate. I'll leave the link to Bolzano below if you guys want to sign up. But let's just get into this month's Bolzano because I love last month. So let's see what this month has to offer. I already saw it, so I can't even act surprised because I opened it ahead of time because I really want to see what it looks like. This is a really cute bag. Looks like this would be nice to put a computer in, like your laptop or something, or your iPad or whatever. And this is the inside of the bag. And I think it has a longer strap. Yeah, it has a strap like this. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute if you're just out and about, like, you know. So this is really cute. Has a zipper on the back where you can put stuff in this part. And it did come with some things on the inside too. You had a scarf, and I love their scarves because I like to use them as head wraps, and they put it in this cute little design pouch thing here, so you can put your scarf in a cute little design pouch. So that's pretty. And this is what the scarf looks like. Oh, it is so cute. This actually looks like something my granny has. I love it. It's gonna be a nice little head wrap for at night, and it's silk, so it's gonna be really nice at night. Or you can use this like when you go to church. Say, you know, you put it down over your lap, that way people can't see under your skirt, you know, so you can use this in church. So this is really nice, so I cannot wait to use it. And it's big, like look how long it is. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. It could be a shirt if you, y'all don't play. You remember when the shirt was in, when Maya used to wear that shirt in that one video? I can't remember what it was, but her and Jay-Z, when they did the one video and she had that triangle top. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, yeah, it's really cute. I really do like that. So that came in this month's Bolzano. I'm trying to see what else we got here. And we got some jewelry. So we have, what is this? A little bracelet that came with this month's, and a necklace. And I think this is really cute too. So I think that's everything that came this month. I didn't want to make the video too long. Oh, and if you want to make your strap longer, you can. It comes with the extra strap as well. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little short, quick, cute video on my Bolzano unboxing. Yes, this purse is super, super cute. And this purse I'm actually going to be giving as a gift. So this is actually going to my mom. So she liked the one I had last month, and it's kind of like the color of the one from last month. So I'm going to give this one to my mom. I'm keeping the rest of the stuff though, because the scarf, I love this scarf. Hold on, y'all. Y'all hold on. I know I said I was going to make it cute and let y'all go, but y'all, this is cute. Like, yes. Where is the glasses from last time? I feel like Whitney Houston. Yeah, I'm feeling my Whitney right now. This is really Whitney right here. This is her in that movie. She got on the plane. Whitney's on the plane. And the bodyguard. Yes, I'm on my Whitney right now. Like, I'm on my Whitney Houston. Like, yes, rest her soul, R.I.P. Whitney, but I feel like I'm on my Whitney Houston right now. Or I guess I could be on my Mary J. Blige. Well, all the time I was loving you, you were busy loving yourself. I would stop breathing if you told me to. Now you're busy loving someone else. 11 years. See, I need my glasses. I'm sacrifice. Let me stop. But yeah, all I needed was my glasses. I want my Mary J. Blige. And oh, Whitney even wore this kind of look too. Oh, y'all, I could be on my Jesus walk with me, okay? I'm on my Mother Mary Jesus, okay? You know, anything with this scarf. Like, anything's possible with my magic scarf. So let me know your favorite item below. Again, check out Bolzano. All the information's below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.